Are you able to download any app on your Android phone? If yes, then watch this video till the end because I am going to give you best solution. And for this, you need to first of all open Play Store and check. You need to click on this profile icon at the top right hand side, and you can click on this Manage Apps and Devices option. Here you need to click on this option. You can see 91 GB I have used here and one from out of 118 MB. So these are the apps which I have installed. So from here you need to delete certain apps if you have used unnecessary apps. So you need to delete some apps which you are not using. So you can simply uninstall them, delete them, and free up some space for application because your mobile space is different and mobile provides certain space for your applications. So only 118 GB is useful for my application. So I need to uninstall the unnecessary apps from my system. So make sure to uninstall those apps which you are not using. So go for those apps and simply uh, uninstall them, and you will get this extra space. Sometimes people uninstall photos and videos from their phone, and but still they are not able to install application. But the app space is different, which you can uninstall from. You can free up from this space. So, our friends, now you will be able to do it and able to download apps. And if you find this video helpful, just hit on the like button. Also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos.